Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about types of poetry. There are different types of poetry like sonnet, ode, ballad, epic, etc. First, let us talk about sonnet. Sonnet is a poem that containing 14 lines and an accepted rhyming scheme. Sonnet is basically of two types. One type is Petrarchan, in which 8 lines octave gives the theme and 6 lines sestet gives the comment on the theme. The other type is Shakespearean, in which the 3 quatrains gives the theme and a final rhyming couplet gives the comment on the theme. For example, let us consider the poem To the Evening Star by William Blake. In the first 8 lines of the poem, the poet describes about the nature consisting of innocence and violence. But in the last 6 lines of the poem, the poet describes the nature incapability of healing and destroying. Next, let's move on to Ode. Ode is a poem expressing writer's thoughts and feelings about a particular person or a thing. In the poem, the poet usually addresses to that person or the thing. For example, in the poem To the Nile by John Keats addresses the Nile River. Art thou so fruitful, or dost thou beguile? Now let us talk about ballad. A ballad is really a story poem that can be sung to a simple melody. Traditional ballads are typically of unknown authorship, having been passed orally from one generation to other. Some of the features of ballads are short story in verse, use of colloquial language, use of supernatural elements, simple structure and language, third-person narration, etc. The poem Farewell to Barn and Stack and Tree by A. E. Housman has some balladic features. Epic is the last type of poem that I am going to share with you today. It is a very long story poem in heroic exalted style. It contains third-person narration and omniscient narration. Some examples are Virgil by Aeneid and Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. I hope you all got an idea about types of poems. Thank you. Have a nice day.